Hey again, Elon here with Magical with another exciting product update. Okay, here we have one. Listen up closely, salespeople, because we got one that you're going to want to see. You can already see I'm in Salesforce, so you know it's going to be good. So, today in the world we live in, salespeople have to deal with bigger books of clients, but shorter time to spend per client, harder deal cycles, and more admin because we have more and more tools that we use as salespeople every day. So we have two very cool ways that we can save you time on specifically your admin tasks, so we can get you back to doing more selling instead of building prospect lists or updating your manager on your opportunities. So I'm going to walk you through two of my favorite examples of how to use our transfers feature, our one-click transfers feature, which lets you take information and data from multiple open tabs and put it all in one spreadsheet or move it all into one place. Super helpful, especially for updating on prospects, updating on deals, building prospect lists, doing research. And these are just two of my favorite examples. There are so many more. Okay, let's jump in with our Salesforce opportunity example. In this world, we're updating our manager on how specific opportunities are doing. We might have a bunch of them open as tabs. Here is what you do. Okay, I'm going to open Magical and I'm going to click Transfer To, a new spreadsheet, all the tabs, and I'm going to pull these 4 opportunities into one spreadsheet. And what you'll see here is it automatically creates a table with URL, account name, opportunity amount, close date, decision maker. All I have to do is create a new label for it, and this sheet is ready to go. I can send it off to our head of sales. I can send it off to whoever I need to. So that's example number 1. Get ready. Now it's time for example number 2. Now, in this case, I'm actually going to be building a list of prospects that I want to start messaging or adding to my sequences. So ready? I'm going to take these 9 open tabs and move them all into a single spreadsheet in one click. So I have them all open. I open up Magical, boom, new spreadsheet, all tabs, transfer all 9 or 10 of these over, all in one go. You can see how quickly it creates a new spreadsheet. It shares a name of where it pulled from, and it has all the most important details that I need, so I don't have to go back and forth and copy and paste. And I can actually even use this if I'm not using any fancy sales tools. I can just use this exact list to start building my prospect sequences from. So salespeople, that's how you can use Magical to, in one click, build a list of opportunities that you need to share with your manager, or build a prospect list of individuals that you think would be perfect for your sales sequences. Have a great time automating, everybody, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon.